Do you desire or require training in company either on a one-to-one basis or for your entire team? Especially for you, we make the Private Guru available. In-house tailored training with a bespoke program, either on-site or online. Prepare for the training by defining your goals and learning objectives. The Private Guru runs a workshop whereby it is all about practical application. After all, you work in reality, not in theory. Grasp concepts, learn about processes, master terminology, optimize communication, and increase your effectiveness. Benefit yourself and improve teamwork. Continuous professional development. The Private Guru leads you the way.